How you doing? I was wondering if I can get a business card.
You want a business card?
Yes. Thank you.
Jeannice. Porque ya tengo como 5 años en el mismo apartamento ya. No me acuerdo de memoria.
I would like to file these.
¿Qué es lo que quiere? ¿La dirección de los?
They're all separate documents.
Dice 511 Nantucket Court, apartamento 1. Estamos Petrovida.
They're copies. I got each one has a copy to it.
Okay, why don't you just give me the document you want recorded?
Okay. Do you charge to file stamp the copies?
What?
Do you charge to file stamp the copies too, or you just do one document only?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I create two.
If it's a recordable document, we'll record it. It's $10 for the first page and $8.50 for each additional page.
Okay, but there's only one document. What I'm asking is, I made 2 copies. I guess I made a second copy for no reason. All right, that's all right. Forget it. All right, it's 5 separate documents. This one. The instructions are on that page right there.
3, 4, 5.
Will they get filed separately?
Yes, 5 separate documents.
Yes, but if you look at it, there one is for one estate and the other one's for a different estate.
Well, I got to show these to the manager, see if we can record them anyway.
What will prevent them from being recorded?
Well, for one thing, they're not notarized. But let me go back and show them first. I'll be right back.
Segura la bien encantado.
Ahora sí.
¿Este bolígrafo es suyo, señora?
Ay, sí, sí. Gracias.
Bien encantado.
Venga, Martita.
They want to attach the waivers to the deed to look at the deed. Well, see, they've already put this notation on here.
No, waiver of land.
Yeah, but Bob this morning said, I recorded as a death certificate and a certificate of death. that's the way they sent it in.
That is recorded already.
Just 2 pages.
They want to record it.
Well, this, but they want to do all these with it.
Okay, they want to record the document with that.
Yeah. But I'm like you, this is a separate document, and it's coming from Disney to these people, not being very
I will reject it.
Well, I have to reject it anyway, because I don't think there's not enough money.
So they tell them also that they have 2 different documents and they cannot be recorded as one document. Hey, Norma.
Excuse me. Can I ask what types of payments you accept here?
He has a stamp. It would be to the Orange County Controller.
No, I mean it has to be by check or money order.
Check, money order, cashier's check, or credit card.
Credit card? Okay.
Yeah, as long as it's Visa or MasterCard.
Okay. Thank you. All right.
Actually looking for a barber shop in the building. Is there not one? Is there
Barber shop?
Yeah.
Guys, it's almost in the first floor. You have to go outside. And it's between the parking and the entrance of the building.
On the side.
Yeah, take a left.
So I should have just kept going.
In front of the street.
Thank you.
Oh, pull back. Pull back.
I can do it for $10.
I gotta stay to, I'm supposed to be working these hours. I gotta stay till 4:45.
So you're going to stay there until 12.
4:30.
So I'm gonna leave everything here.
You think I'm gonna forget?
No. Because when Snyder comes here, I have to hide everything. Because the next day when I come, everything is, I don't like
Oh,
that.
she can't come here. Just I'm sitting. She's gonna have to sit somewhere
So
else.
nobody's coming from right
No,
here.
if she comes.
Yeah, I just talked to the assistant manager, she said these are not recordable documents.
Why is that?
Every time because I'm asking you.
She just said they're not.
Can I ask you, are you Martha O'Haney?
Nope, that's the comptroller.
I asked you for a business card. How do I identify you? You don't have a business card, sir?
No, I don't have a business card personally, no, I'm just the clerk up here that records documents.
But how do I identify you? Can you write your name on there?
Nope,
You can't write your name on there.
I'm not gonna.
So you're refusing to. All right.
Yeah,
Can you please go get whoever you spoke to and ask them to come here for me for a minute, sir?
Mm-hmm.
And what did you say?
Why did you say they cannot be recorded?
She told me it's not a recordable document.
No reason, just it's not
She told
recordable.
me that.
I'm sorry, sir, but I should be able to get more information than that.
Jeannice, the gentleman would like to talk with you. All right, thanks. Should be right up.
All right. Here you go, sir. I'd like to give you this.
What?
You have just been put on notice.
Whatever.
I'm sorry, sir. You've just been put on notice. That's for you, sir.
I don't want it.
You don't have the right to throw nothing back at me, sir.
I don't want it.
I'll let you know this is being
I don't want
recorded.
it. You're not putting
Well, you
me
have
on
just been put on notice, sir.
You're not putting
You
me
have
on
just been
notice
put
for
on notice.
anything.
I have just put you on notice.
I don't want it.
I have just put
I'll
this
put you on
gentleman.
notice that I don't want it.
I have just put this gentleman on notice. He refused to identify himself.
Hi,
How are you doing? Are you the one he just called?
Yes.
Can I ask for your business card, please?
Sure.
Does this gentleman not have a business card that identifies him?
No, not all of our staff have business cards.
So how do I identify this gentleman?
What do you need to identify him for?
I'm sorry. How do I identify this gentleman? Are you Martha? Are you Jeannice?
I'm Jeannice.
Okay, Jeannice.
Can I help you with
Jeannice, yes, he has
something?
informed me that these documents are not recordable, but he's not giving me a reason why. Can you tell me why these documents are not recordable?
They're not eligible to be recorded
Why is that?
under Florida statute. They're not
22?
eligible.
Which one? 22.222?
28.
28.222? Is that what you're talking about?
There are many statutes that give us instructions for
I'm
recording
asking
documents.
why they're not recordable, miss.
There's not a statute that authorizes them.
I would like to give you this. You have just been put on notice. I need to know why you're denying the recording of these documents.
Why do you think they are recordable? What basis
No,
are you
I'm sorry.
I'm asking you what.
No, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm asking you why they're not recordable. I don't have the right to an answer.
Pardon me?
I don't have a right to an answer of why they're not recordable.
Because they're not eligible for recording.
Why
under
not?
Florida statute. They're not eligible.
Under what statute, miss? Please
There's
inform me.
not a specific statute.
Then you're lying to me. Then you're lying to me.
Let me tell you, no. Specific
This is for you.
statute that tells us not to record documents. We have,
And which one is that?
pardon me?
Are you recording something, sir?
Excuse me. I'm dealing with this lady. I'm dealing with this lady right here.
He's recording a
Apparently
video
he's
of us
recording
now.
a video or your voice. So he's not allowed to record.
Is this not a public department? Because if this is a public department, I have the right to record and.
You're supposed to ask whether you can record them or not.
I don't have to
You
ask.
work for attorneys, so you are supposed to let them know.
Excuse me.
if
I'm
they
not speaking to you. Please mind your
Well, I'm
business.
speaking to you. And
Well,
this
speak
is a public
to my
area.
back. I need to know why they're not recordable, miss.
Because they're not eligible for recording.
Why
under
not, miss?
Florida
That's not an
statute.
answer, miss. I don't
Okay,
understand.
what I'm going to tell you, if you just a second, is
I'm trying to listen.
Okay, we don't have statutes that specifically tell us everything that we cannot record. You can't pick up a piece of paper off the street and bring it in.
This is not a piece of paper off the street.
Listen to what I'm telling you, though. The statutes cannot specifically say, okay, you can't record this piece of paper off the street. You can't record this other document.
But
You
you're
can't
denying me
record
and
this.
you're
What it
refusing to
does
tell me
tell us-
why.
What it does tell us is what documents we can record. And this document is not on the
Excuse me.
list of documents that
This is
are
a living
eligible to
deed.
record.
This is a living deed. How is this not on the
Living
list?
deed.
How is this not on the list?
A living deed.
How is that not on the list? Are these not a recordable items?
A deed is a recordable
That is a living
item.
deed.
This does not look like a deed.
I'm sorry, that's a living deed. So you're refusing.
We cannot record that document.
So you're refusing to record this
That's
document.
correct.
Okay, well, you haven't just been put on notice. You have just been put on notice. I'm going to ask you one more time. Matter of fact, I would like to. I wonder what the Office of the Inspector Generals would think about this. You know, the Justice Department, about you refusing to record a record. No, don't hand this back to me. That's for you. I recorded it. I gave it to you. You have violated the law. You have violated the law.
Okay, I'm finished with this. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm finished with it too.
Okay, thank you.
You have violated, and Jeannice, I hope you're ready to have charges brought against you. And you too, sir, whatever your name is.
I can't wait, my friend. I can't wait.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. Because you're violating the law. These are living deeds, and I have the right to... She not informed me of the reason why she cannot record this.
I did tell you.
No, you did not.
Okay, we're finished now. Though.
Why can't you record
I'm going to have you
it?
escorted out, sir.
I'm asking why can't it be recorded?
I told you why it cannot
Why
be
not?
recorded.
I don't understand. Because you don't want to?
Listen to your recording.
Because you don't want to? You didn't give me... You told me statute. What
It's
statute?
not eligible to be recorded under Florida law.
What law?
Listen to the recording.
I don't have a right to know what law you're talking about? I don't have a right to know what law you're talking about. All right. All right.
Sir, you can leave
The Office of Inspector Generals will hear about this. Believe me.
They
Believe
should
me.
hear about it. Yes, they should.
No, they should. You're right. I got your business card. He refused to tell me his name.
Thank you.
This gentleman right here refused to tell me his name.
Sir,
I don't care, sir.
You and I are going to have a problem, Jack, if you don't...
Wait.
Whatever problem, sir, you want, it does not bother me, sir. You're violating the law, and I do not mind. I do not mind.
You want to call him?
Call whoever you want to call, sir.
Get this turkey
You violated the law.
I don't want that.
It don't matter. You've been served, sir. You've been put on notice. Whether you want it or not, you've been put on notice. I got the recording. You refuse to identify yourself.
Get your cup of coffee at Starbucks.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think so? It's all good. I hope y'all ready to answer against the law, because y'all violated the law. Y'all have violated the law. And I don't know who you think you are throwing items at me. You don't throw nothing at me.
I don't know who you think you are taking my picture.
You're a public servant.
I don't
You're a
care.
public servant.
You gotta ask my permission.
I don't have to ask nothing, sir.
Idiot.
Oh, I'm an idiot. Thanks for all that, sir.
Idiot.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I hope you're ready to lose your job. I hope you're ready to lose your job.
I hope you're ready
You're
to see where
the
that
only
phone
one.
goes,
You're the
too.
only one. You're the only one.
You see where that phone goes, too.
What phone? Call whoever you like. You have violated the law, and I'm putting you on notice. Both of you have been put on notice. Take notice. You will be indicted, both of you. Both of you will be indicted. Both of you. Throwing stuff at me, man.
Huh?
Is you behind a glass door?
I'll look right at you if I want to.
I didn't say look at me. I said you throwing stuff at me.
sir, leave the building, please. Leave the building.
See, there he goes with his phone again.
Here's a witness to your treason. You committed treason against the United States.
Treason.
And these are witnesses right here. These are witnesses. Whether they want to be witnesses or not, these are witnesses. You've both been put on notice. Both of you. Doesn't bother me not one bit.